Hello everyone, bored at home? I can completely understand. Sitting at home 24/7, all surrounded with gadgets, laptop, just TV, it can be bored sometime, I understand. That is why here I am, Komal, your host, to share some creative ideas with you today. You need not to step out of the home to get any of the stuffs. You can create absolutely with all the leftover waste cardboard sheets or waste papers, color papers, newspapers, anything what you have in your home, a beautiful wall decor piece. And creativity, it makes you fresh, it makes you feel lively. So today we're gonna create some wall decor pieces. Come, let's see.
So today's special guest of our creativity is butterfly. Let's learn how to create the butterfly. You can take a piece of paper, anything, newspaper, cardboard sheet, and fold it in the required space and draw the outline of the butterfly slowly. If you are not sure, then first mark with the pencil and then with the marker. So once we are done, we'll start cutting it slowly. Make sure the shape remains the same. You do not cut the shape. So this particular butterfly I had shown you without mustache. Now we're gonna learn the another one with mustache. So just mark keeping the same butterfly, and when you reach to the end, do not cut the entire cardboard sheet. Just leave a little space, and then to make a curve shape, start cutting the cardboard sheet slightly until it reaches the edge. And now, continuing the same shape, just leave a little space for the mustache and reach till the corner, and just remove the additional part. Here you go. A beautiful butterfly with mustache is now ready. So this was the sari falls वाला जो cardboard sheet आता है ना cover के अंदर, I have used that. So you can use anything, and I have cut the same in one of the yellow cardboard sheet with a small size. Now I am gonna decorate it with the sequins. Whatever leftover sequins you have in home, maybe sequins, maybe beads, or any other stuff. You do not have anything, you can use the stick, just paint it and use it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the leftover space. We're gonna make a small butterfly from all these things. Just fold them the same way we did earlier and draw a small butterfly and then cut it. I usually prefer doing the mustache separately from the leftover cutting papers because that saves the space. So this is how I do it. Just take the slant curvy side and then cut. Make sure the joints remains the same. Even if it is not same, it's okay, you can just paste it after cutting into two different pieces. I have made sure that it is this one piece. Now I'm going to paste it on the other side of the butterfly. Make sure the front side of the butterfly is neat and clean. That's it. Here you go. Cute little butterfly is ready. So first thing we're gonna learn open heart butterfly wall hanging. So I have taken two cardboard sheets because I'm planning to make it big, so I require two cardboard sheets. If you wanna begin with, you can start with a small cardboard sheet with making a small shape. I have slowly drawn the heart shape, the half heart shape, and now I'm gonna drag the other corner and then I'm gonna make the other half of the heart shape. I'm overlapping the sheets so that I can paste them. Make sure both the sides look same, the shape. the heart is broken. No worries, I'm fixing it. Yes, the gum is now ready, and then yes, now heart is now fixed. I'm erasing all the additional lines. Just keep a lighter line, and I'm gonna cut the additional sheet from both the corners, keeping what I require for my wall hanging. If you do not have the cardboard sheet available in your home, no worries at all guys. You can always go for the color sheets or the plain white drawing book sheets. You can just take 4 sheets and combine them as one. I have the butterflies ready. I have mixed 2 colors. One is green and red combination, another one is blue and pink, and I have decorated them with the leftover sequins or beads. I have mixed all of them, whatever was available at home. If you do not have any of these, no worries at all. You can use the broomstick. You can just take single stick and paint it over. I have chosen blue and pink combination butterflies for this open heart butterfly wall hang. So let's start. We'll start with the corner. I'll paste 1 butterfly. Make sure you do not paste the whole butterfly, just the edge of it. The way I'm applying. We'll paste 2 butterflies together in the beginning so that it gives the completed look. And we're gonna cover the outside areas, and then we're gonna fill inside. Make sure the arrangement of the butterflies are made in a way they look very natural and it gives you a 3D look. So I keep filling the heart. So this is the final look. Wow, it really looks beautiful. I have mixed the small size butterflies, the different combination, and I have given 5 to 6 red butterflies so that it enhances the look. This is the final look. I'm going to complete this by pasting the beads over the butterflies, and this will be done. Moving on to our second wall hanging, swing wall hanging. This is very simple. Anybody can do it. So please do it. I have chosen red with green butterfly for this particular wall hang. I'm gonna decorate it with the beads, that is dark green beads, so that it gives you a different look. And I have quickly grabbed one of the old unused bangle from my mama's cupboard. You can also rush to your mama, but make sure you do not take any new bangle. Take the unused one and a metal one. Do not take the ceramic bangle or which is broken easily. I am making a knot. I have combined 2 woolens together, that is 2 strands together, and I have made a knot. Make a strong knot in the beginning. I am taking the bun inside the bangle and again inside the loop, and then just pull it slowly. Yeah, that's it. So you're gonna repeat the same procedure, same process until your bangle is completed. So this is how it looks once it is completed. Now you're gonna take the length of the hang what is required for you, and you're gonna cut the woolen there. Now make a knot just to make sure that it doesn't get removed or loosen up. A small pull and then you're gonna make a knot at the end. Just roll both the strands together and apply gum on it so that they stick on. Now you're gonna place all the butterflies. I have chosen 5 butterflies on the wrong side. Make sure the distance is proper and paste the woolen thread. I have cut the newspaper into small pieces to stick onto the thread so that the butterflies stick hard and it doesn't get removed easily. Yes, that's it. You're gonna repeat the same procedure for all the butterflies. We are almost done. This is the last step of the hang. I have taken the green color combination. I'm rolling on one of the small piece of cardboard sheet. Once it is done the required volume, you can remove the woolen from the cardboard sheet slowly. Yes, but make sure you hold it tight. And now you're gonna tie one end. Just a knot or two to make sure that both the sides are equal. That's it. Now we're gonna cut from the other end. Make sure you pull it a little hard and make sure it is equal. That's it. I'm making another knot just to make sure it is hard. Now I have chosen the opposite red color so that it gives you a vibrant look. If you want, you can choose with the same color. I'm rolling it over to make a small ball knot over it. I'm gonna tie this way. I'm gonna lock it. That's it. I have made 3. If you want, you can just manage with one. Even one looks great. I have taken the woolen, the needle, and I'm just making a thread so that we can connect to our wall hanging. I repeat the same procedure for all the 3 and combine them together as one thread. Now we are just tying it to the end thread of the butterfly hanging. If you do not want to tie, you can just paste it as we have done above with the newspaper. And that's it. It's ready. Now moving on to the third, that looks butterfly poster wall hang. It is very simple. If you recall the cardboard sheet, leftover cut cardboard sheet, I have taken that piece and I have pasted the color tape. If you do not have color tape, you can use any of the simple tape. So this, I am trying to create a 3D look of the butterfly. So I have taken 3 butterflies and I am going to paste it in this way so that it gives you a 3D look. So we're going to quickly gum it as I had shown you. If you wanna try this, you can try with the black cardboard sheet, black background with the colorful butterflies. It will give you a highlighted look with a 3D look. So because I did not have the black cardboard, I had the yellow one, so I have used this. Even this looks good. So you're gonna make this end with taping. So this is how it looks on different backgrounds. And the leftover butterflies, I have just pasted them on my wall and they look lovely. That's all guys. These are the 3 things what we had prepared today. And they really look good. So please try them too.
Those all the 3 pieces what we created. So if you have liked it, please comment and tell me. Always make sure do not copy the design, always copy the techniques, but always be creative by your own. फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. Till then, be creative, keep creating new things, try new things and be happy. Spread love to everybody. See you in the next video, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like, share, comments. See you all. Bye bye.